Solved problems. Prepare income statement from missing figures. Problem. Given the following information below, prepare income statement of GBC Printing Enterprise for the month ended December 31, 2021. Salaries and wages 95,000. Insurance 2,500. Other income, dividend income 170,000. Income, internet communication 10,000. Water and power 8,400. Rental collection dash. Computer supplies expense 3,200. Depreciation 2,550. Interest income dash. Taxes and licenses 25,100. Copying services hardbound dash. Income tax expense 10,000. Internet and printing service dash. RMC capital 450,000. RMC drawing 15,000. Land and buildings 1 million. Furniture and fixtures 10,200. Capital at the beginning dash. Note, the interest income is 50% of GBC dividend income. Rental collection is 25% of dividend income. Copying services hardbound is 4 times of dividend income. Capital beginning is 4 times of the salaries and wages. Internet and printing services is 4 times of the taxes and licenses. Solution workings. Interest income 50% of GBC dividend income. Dividend income 170,000. 50% of dividend income is 85,000. So interest income is 85,000. Rental collection 25% of dividend income. Dividend income is 170,000. 25% of dividend income is 42,500. Rental collection is 42,500. Copying services are hardbound 4 times of the dividend income. Dividend income 170,000. 4 times of the dividend income is 680,000. Copying services and hardbound is 680,000. Capital at the beginning 4 times of the salaries and wages. Salaries and wages 95,000. 4 times of salaries and wages is equal to 380,000. So capital at the beginning is 380,000. Internet and printing service 4 times of taxes and licenses. Taxes and licenses 25,100. 4 times of taxes and licenses 100,400. So internet and printing service is 100,400. Now let us fill the figures from the workings into the blanks of the information given. Rental collection is 42,500. Interest income is 85,000. Copying services hardbound is 680,000. Internet and printing service is 100,400. Capital at the beginning is 380,000. After the figures are filled, the information is complete as under. Now let us prepare the income statement as required. GBC Printing Enterprises single step income statement for the month ended December 31, 2021. Particulars: amount. Copying services hardbound 680,000. Internet and printing services 104,000. Interest income 85,000. Rental collection 42,500. Other income, dividend income 170,000. Total revenues 1,77,900. Salaries and wages 95,000. Insurance 2,500. Internet and communication 10,000. Water and power 8,400. Computer supplies expense 3,200. Depreciation 2,550. Taxes and licenses 25,100. Income tax expense 10,000. Total expenses 156,750. Net profit 61,750. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.